CJ Wild Money Entertainment. Yep, I'm cooking with the air fryer. I'm going to show a quick chicken recipe. Chicken sesame seed. So, you see this little piece of chicken right here? They sell them at Dollar Tree now. And they like this for $1. So, this recipe, you need some pepper, some paprika, some adobo, some canola oil or sesame seed oil, some garlic, and in this little container right here is my sesame seeds. Okay, I had to get mine from the Chinese place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna preheat my air fryer. Get down to it. In this, and I'm spraying my chicken, and I'm patting down the sesame seeds. So and I'm gonna flip it. Add some more sesame seeds. Now, I like the crunch, so I'm adding a little bit more than what other people add. But you want to push them sesame seeds in there. Now, I'm not adding honey. Some people add honey to theirs to make it sweet. And take it, put it in your air fryer. Put it in for 15 to 20 minutes and then flip for 5. So we'll be back. Took it out and I flipped it. Look how good that looks, people. Yummy, yummy. And I got like 5 more minutes after I flip it. However, I am going to add some green beans to this and air fry my green beans at the same time. Let's see how that come out. Yummy, yummy. Okay, people. There is my fried green beans and my sesame seed air fried chicken. Got me 3 little olives there. In that blue bottle right there is my iced tea, homemade iced tea. And this white powder right there, it's just a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Because I'm not adding any salt except for the Spanish olives. And look how tender this is. Nice and tender, nice and juicy. Look at that. Now, it has like a little nutty taste because of the sesame seeds. You can add a honey glaze on the chicken. I choose not to because I'm cutting down from sweets and sugar. I saved the honey for the smoothies. Yummy, yummy. Time to eat for the tummy.